Take a second and put yourself in the shoes of somebody that would steal an iPhone. I'm not saying that you're going to steal an iPhone, but just think for a second, what is the first thing that you would do if you were to steal an iPhone? Of course, you want to prevent the other person from being able to find that iPhone. And now, if you have your iPhone with you, there are certain things that you can do to help prevent that thief, if they ever do steal your iPhone, from doing exactly that. Now, let me lock my iPhone here real quick. And you'll be able to see when I lock my iPhone, I can tap on it. And you can see I'm not going to use my Face ID. It is still locked at the top here. But I can take my finger and swipe down. And what can I do? Tap on the airplane mode. And just like that, again, I have not unlocked my iPhone, but I've toggled on airplane mode. Now, if this is an accessible feature on your iPhone, essentially what this allows a thief to be able to do is they'll get your iPhone, they'll put it on airplane mode, which will turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cell data, as well as all tracking. This will prevent you from being able to understand where that iPhone is and how to find it. But there's an easy way to be able to turn this off directly in the settings of your iPhone, and I would highly recommend you do that. So let me just unlock my iPhone real quick and tap on the settings app of your iPhone. From here, scroll down, tap on Face ID and passcode, and you'll need to enter in the passcode for your phone. So let me just do that real quick. Now scroll down again, and you can see allow access when locked. All of these features are allowed to anybody, even if they haven't unlocked your phone. And you can see the big one here is the control center. But there are other ones like Siri, because they could ask Siri to turn on airplane mode. You're going to see also access to your wallet that is built in to your iPhone. Again, if you have any of these turned on, anybody, whether they're a thief or just a stranger, will be able to access this information even if your phone is locked and they haven't unlocked it. After we've done all of that, let me show you how it works. If I lock my phone and then tap on it, you can see it is still locked. If I swipe down, nothing happens. Essentially, they can't do anything, but you can still track it from wherever you are just by going to iCloud.com and going to the Find My section to be able to find that iPhone and prevent the thief from turning off or turning on airplane mode. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.